Hey y'all, so I'm just doing a little check-in. I didn't want to leave you guys hanging for too long. I think I posted a video yesterday about us moving. Our move-in date is the 5th. So we're still packing up. It's super hectic. I just finally got to take a shower and put makeup on today. I've been looking like a mess lately, but we haven't gotten a lot done. This is super stressful. It's giving me the worst anxiety, but I'm like, push through, girl. Okay, it's gonna be all right. You know, I keep cheering myself on. And a lot of you have been messaging me and leaving comments, and they're super encouraging and uplifting. So thank you so much for that. I appreciate it. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what we've done so far. Not the greatest, but it's happening. So I'm in my makeup room right now. It looks really bad. We actually have more stuff than what we thought, because when we moved here from Texas, we didn't have that much. We didn't have cats. I didn't have a lot of the things that we have now, including the futon, the bed frame. Hey, hush. So yeah, this has been pretty rough. I've had to throw away so much stuff that we didn't use. I'm having to declutter. I'm trying to KonMari. I'm trying to see, does this bring me joy? Does it not? Yeah, that's what I'm dealing with right now. So, yep, throwing a lot of stuff away, getting rid of stuff. Oh my gosh, like, we didn't have this, the big Halloween thing. It's just a nightmare right now. But so far, I did make this happen this morning. We packed up. Oh my gosh. I left my lactose-free milk out all morning. I didn't even use this today. Why is it out? Oh my gosh, I'm losing it. Anyways, I packed up most of the kitchen. It feels so weird, like empty cabinets. Oh well. That's almost empty. But everything else is empty, and it just feels like, it feels good because I've gotten a lot done, but it feels weird that this is happening. You know what I mean? Also, I have to pack up all of my cleaning supplies. It's a nightmare. It is a nightmare. We're actually trying to get rid of the futon. Trying to get rid of a lot of stuff. This is just hectic. Alan's in the shower right now. We have to go run a few quick errands. I have all of your paparazzi packages ready to go. I can't wait for you guys to get them. Tons. Like, even in the middle of all of this chaos and packing, I still was able to get all of that done. And last night I finished up by writing fragile on each package. Yeah. So, I just wanted to update y'all on where we're at right now. And la la, this was just sitting on the couch. This was like the day we got our marriage license, and then the day we got married. I took it out of the frame because I was like, you know what, I don't like that frame anymore. I've had it since we first got married. I bought it like as soon as we got married in our first apartment, and this was in that frame, but that frame was like black and gold, and my decor is not black and gold. So I was like, it's time to let it go. It does not bring me joy anymore. Yeah. I still have a ton of laundry to do, and guess what? Guess what? Oh my gosh, y'all. We haven't even started in here yet. Have not even started. These cats don't know what to think. They know something's going on, but they're just like, what is happening, mama? I think the cats are gonna love their new home. But, yeah. Woo! I'll be glad when this is over with. I'll be glad when I can start making new videos. For those of you asking, yes, I'm going to do a new home tour, of course. And then, yes, I'm still going to be doing cleaning videos. I can't wait. Because sometimes I felt like, you know, y'all were getting sick of seeing me clean this place. So there's going to be a new place to clean. So many new adventures. And, yeah. New videos coming. Just give me a little time, bear with me. Don't unsubscribe because I'm not active. I'm just busy. If I could just get this stuff done, I would be one happy camper. Anyways, yeah. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe because there's new videos on the way and you're not gonna wanna miss them because I've got so much planned that all of those who unsubscribed, y'all's gonna regret it when y'all see all these videos I'm gonna be posting. Oh my God. I've lost it, y'all. I gotta go. Alan's gotta get out of the shower because I've got all these packages to send. I've got too much hair going on right now. It turned cold all of a sudden again. I'm like, God bless me. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna end this video. I'm yapping on too much, but I'm super excited to hear from y'all. I'm loving all the comments you're leaving me because I love hearing from y'all, so leave me some more comments. Y'all know I always respond. Even when I'm busy, I respond because I love y'all. And yeah, okay, look forward to your packages because they're getting shipped off today, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye-bye. Pray for me. Pray for me, pray for Alan. Because this ain't fun. This ain't fun. And we still gotta deal with this monstrous couch. What is all over the couch? $4 bills, Hall's cough drops, blanket, sunglasses, scissors, tape. I am a busy woman. Okay, goodbye. So, it's like 1:27 in the morning. Got a lot more packed up. Doing pretty good, I think. Not too much more to go. I just had to rip open boxes and move boxes and lift more boxes because I accidentally packed away my sleeping pills. That is not good for an insomniac like me. Nope. So anyways, yep, that's what that's looking like. We've got Alan in here taking the bed apart. And yeah, so kitchen's done. That room is kind of done, and yeah, we still have to finish our bedroom clothes. I still have to throw all this garbage away, but I think we're doing pretty good. But anyways, yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yes, that's a box of kashi on the floor because I was snacking last night. Okay? Alright then.